Today I'm going to be teaching you about splitting and merging layers in AutoCAD. And to start this, I'm going to be showing you the MapServe simplified version, where we have fewer layers than the full version. So let's say, for example, we actually want to create a new layer. So as we've shown in past videos, we have all our building areas as one in this version. So let's say, for example, we want to then create a new layer. So we go to our layer properties, we right click new layer, and let's just give this a name like buildings residential, and we'll give that color as red so we can see the difference. And then we're gonna set that as our current layer. And so as we know, these are all currently, if we hover over, they're on MS building areas. But let's say, for example, we want to select these houses on this block here, just by clicking them like so. We then are, as default, AutoCAD, because it selects as a hatch, it's going to put you onto this hatch editor. If we click home, it takes us back to where we were before. And this gives us the ability to quickly change those selected elements to this new layer. So as we can see, I gave the layer a red color setting, which was assigned by the layer. And these elements now, if I hover over, have been have moved to buildings residential. So that's how you can then create a more complicated layering system potentially. And now I'm going to show you the opposite of that, which is to take then the Pro version, which, as we've seen in previous videos, contains a lot more layers that have been filtered down. So now I'm going to show you the opposite of that. So if we go to areas, we know that we've got our buildings split into these different ones. So let's say, for example, we want to maybe consolidate that into one layer. The way we can do that is by using the filters. We can just show those building areas. If we select like so the layers that we want, we can then isolate them. This will take a little while for AutoCAD to think about. And so what it's now done is it's just shown us those. You can see here the light bulbs are off on what's not being shown, and the light bulbs are on what is being shown. And just to demonstrate, we'll change that to red. So then we can see that, for example, these elements here are on building archway area. So just to make it a quick one here, I'm going to select everything that we know is a building area. You can see this is blank because it's sort of saying, well, what you've got selected is actually across the various layers. But as I selected everything, I then click on this layer, and everything now, so what was previously in that archway is now building area. And so if I then go back to all, so as you can see, the map's only showing the areas. I want to put everything else on. I can select all and click the light bulb, and this will take a little while for AutoCAD to do. And it's now turned back on the rest of the map, and it's now moved all of the building area as I've done previously. And so now we've got these layers that are basically doing nothing. There's nothing on that layer anymore because we've moved it all. So a useful command, if you just type in purge, this is a way of getting rid of items you don't need or layers you don't need. So if I purge layers and click purge, say purge all items, it was letting me know what it's got rid of. If you then look in your layer manager, or even in the full one, because AutoCAD has seen that there's nothing on those layers, it's now purged them out. So everything's now on that building area.